What's a nice girl like you doing hunting unicorns?
No! You're not supposed to drink it! Hip, hip, hooray. Bottle troll belches. I'll retrieve it later.
Two, one. You must always show great poise and... Excuse me?
Sorry, that vibration was actually a chili cheese dog working its way through the pipes. Just pretend I'm not here. Troll belches. Yeah, she was all smiles until...
Dude, that's messed up. Excuse me.
Baby Rotwood really is kind of cute when you...
Check this out.
Come on with that onion breath already.
Let's watch Belching Monkeys. Oh yeah, now that's good TV.
I'm warning you, I have a reputation here.
I know, and I got until lunchtime to completely ruin it. What?
I do it, but my eyes are glazed over with coconut milk and lobster grease. Oh, I love my new diet.
No? Bruh, I'll show you. Weak. Oh. Oh, yeah. That one's been waiting to come out. It was.